again. This is another one of the Chem Society's videos. Unfortunately, it looks like most of my help has decided against helping today. I guess chloroform didn't sit well with them. Anyway, so today we've got us a neat looking video here. It's, oh good, they're still asleep. Anyway, it's an iodine clock. So this is an oscillating reaction that makes it look like the reaction's flipping and flopping back and forth. So once we combine all of our reactants together, which is hydrogen peroxide, some potassium iodate, and the last bit, starch. Yeah. Anyway, we combine all that together, along with a couple other things like malonic acid and other stuff, and we get a reaction to start going. So that's what's all in that large beaker sitting in the hood that's starting to stir. So right when we add everything, it's a nice clear color, and then it pretty quickly turns golden, kind of yellowy if you look at it. And so what's happening is we've got our three reactions here, four, pardon. Though this is less of a reaction, more just of what happens. But anyway, so we've got some, remember it was potassium iodate? Well, the potassium goes away and it's replaced with a hydrogen. So we've got that combining with our hydrogen peroxide, and it's going to free up some iodine, some additional oxygen, which is what you see bubbling out, and then some water. And it's forming this nice gold color. Once we have that formed, we've got our iodine down here. This is more of an intermediate step. This is still happening when it's golden. So we've got our iodine combining with our malonic acid, and it's forming, well, the iodine form of the iodine plus our malonic acid with the hydrogen ripped off, which is here. And it's also forming our I minus. Our I minus then combines with I2 that was left over from this reaction up here, and it joins up with the I minus, as I said, and it forms a complex with starch. A starch iodine complex is a really dark blue, almost black looking color. And I occasionally call it dark blue, kind of purple or black. It's kind of interchangeable about which color it is exactly. When you look at it, depending how the light hits, it depends what color you want to call it. And then as it's reacting further, we've got our I2, which, if you remember, was being formed both here and here, reacting with more of our hydrogen peroxide to form our starting products again. Well, our HiO3 again. So it just cycles back through. So what's happening when the color's changing is, depending on which color it's changing to and or from, it's going from a gold color at the very beginning. Our starch iodine complex forms this dark blue color, and then it goes colorless when our I2 is reacting to form more HiO3. And then you get enough HiO3 concentration to build up, and it reacts with more peroxide and to form this gold color again, and it just keeps cycling through until we're out of peroxide and other products. So that's a neat reaction to watch, and I hope you enjoy watching it. We have several other videos which you should check out. They're listed along the sides of the screen. And yeah, have a good time. So we're about to start filming another video, and we all know what that means, right? If you remember from last time when we went through this whole ordeal, everyone was making a whole lot of noise, so who wants to be first?
Be quiet.
I'm sure you will. This will ensure that. It's going to be absolutely ensuring that you're going to be dead silent. There's a good boy. Next. This is because we all made a lot of noise last time.
I'll just promise to be quiet.
No promises.
I promise.
I'm sorry.
No.
You can't do it. Alright. I think we're getting pretty close to our video start time. It's just about everyone. Alright.